You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 32 over 3 greater than 102 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 12 to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 3. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 32 over 3 greater than 102 over 3.